Hello everyone, this is Andrea from Perflex. Today we are going to introduce all the grouting tools that you will use when you're grouting the floor. And all the grouting tools is in this white box. And from here we can see it introduces all the tools: the caulking gun, scraper, pressing plate, cleaning oil, and wax. Okay, I'm gonna open this box and to show you all the tools. This is the scraper, wax, cleaning oil, caulking gun, and this is the press plate. It's the cleaning oil. It has 3 cleaning oils. This cleaning oil is used to clean the dust in the tile joint. After you cleaning the dust, you will use this wax to polish the ceramic tile joint, because when the ground cured, if you didn't use this wax, it will be very hard for you to remove the extra ground. So don't forget this step. Use the wax to polish both top side of the tile joint. And after you polish the ceramic, you need to use this caulking gun to press the glue. After you press the glue, the next step is use this press plate to press the glue. It has 4 heads. Now this 3 heads is used to press the inside of corner, and this, you can see it's different from the others. It's used to clean the outside corner like this. This is the shovel, the scraper. After the ground cured, you will use this shovel, the scraper, to clean the extra ground. These are all the ground tools. Next time I will show you how to operate it, how to work with all these tools. See you next time!